How to fix YouTube is not available in this reason. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So now let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open the App Store on your mobile device. Then simply tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. Now there tap on your name at the top, and once you do so, simply tap on the country/region option available there. Once you tap on the country/region, it will take few minutes for your option to be loaded on the screen. And once loaded, you will get to see change country or region option available in blue highlights. Now tap on the country you prefer from the list of it. Now then wait for a while and tap on the continue option available. Now once done so, tap on the agree option at the terms and condition at the top right corner of your screen. And once you tap on the agree, you'll have to enter some of your personal information in order to download or change the region of your iPhone. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.